I like to do a room tour with you. We will start with the entrance area, and this is followed by the offices for everything you need for a company. Our in-house CAD design shop where we can design parts and also molds, for example. That is our BMC test center where we can test BMC parts on our BMC injection machines. Our workshop for maintenance of our production machines. One of our storage farms for the storage of our polyester resin. The storage area for our finished goods ready to send out to customers. One of our BMC production lines. The quality inspection room for the production near test of our production. The resin slurry production for our SMC and BMC lines. The storage area for pallet-based raw materials. Small area of our quality control laboratory. That's our technicum, where we have the possibility to mold different parts and can optimize our products.
Innovation and sustainability, shaping a cleaner future. Lorenz Kunststofftechnik.